Now this recipe that I'm about to show you, I forgot to mention throughout the video that it is essential for women to drink this, and men, but women in particular, especially children too. But women, why? Because we menstruate. Now, if you are dealing with endometriosis or any form of menstruation issues, I advise that you drink this every single day. Hey my loves, this is MUTULU here, and today I'm showing you how to prepare a green smoothie which helps to reverse any form of iron deficiencies such as anemia, bad odor, IBS, constipation, any form of issues within the colon or stomach or intestines. It helps to improve the condition of your skin, hair and nails as well. Now this can be drunk by the whole family, including your children and the baby. The baby needs to be at least 6 months, or I would say at least sitting up by themselves. So here I have peeled 1 large chocho, 1 medium-sized seeded cucumber, 1 apple, and now I'm going to chop it up into small pieces. Here I showed you that the cucumber was seeded, so you need to be using seeded cucumbers, okay? This you can get from any African or Caribbean market stall. So I've chopped up roughly, I think it was 3 key limes. Yes, it was 3. I've given you quite a lot of callaloo to add to this smoothie. You can use any other green, but callaloo is one of the most highest quality leafy dark greens on this planet. And it's very rich in iron and calcium and zinc and phosphorus and selenium, all of the good stuff. So I advise that you work with callaloo for this smoothie. And I'll suggest that you drink this every day if you are dealing with any of the ailments stated previously or that you can see above written. If not, for general maintenance, just drink this every other day. Quantity, you want to be drinking minimum 1.5 litres of this smoothie, preferably on an empty stomach. The baby or children dosage for this, for general maintenance or if they're dealing with any ailments themselves, is essentially 500 ml per day. If you can get them to drink that, that'd be wonderful. Now, if you want to learn more recipes such as this, you can get my cookbook, Cook with MUTULU. It is available at mutulu.co.uk. You can get it in its physical form or ebook form. I trust that this recipe will serve you very well. Take care, my loves.